Let's break down Stash app fees so you know exactly what you're paying for. Stash isn't free. It uses a flat monthly subscription model with three tiers. $3 per month gets you a personal investment account, access to stock back, rewards, with the Stash debit card and basic banking features. $9 per month gives you everything from the $3 plan plus a Roth IRA and a custodial account for kids, and monthly market insights. Unlike other brokers, Stash doesn't charge trading commissions or percentage based fees. That sounds good, but if you're investing small amounts, that flat fee can feel expensive. For example, if you only have $100 invested, a $3 a month is a 3.6% fee, way more than typical robo advisors. There are no hidden fees, but some ETFs you buy might have built in management fees. That's normal for all platforms. Bottom line is, Stash makes things simple, but you are paying for convenience. Make sure you're actually using the features you are subscribed to. Like and follow for no BS finance breakdowns. Got app questions? Drop them below.